Good morning, students. How are you? You all are fine? Fine. Okay, so in the last class we had started new lesson, that is lesson number 6, and the name of the lesson is caring for others. Now I hope all of you have understood what is the meaning of caring. What is the meaning of caring? Caring means, yes, what is the meaning of caring? Caring means something or someone that shows kindness and concern for others, that is known as caring. Like how Vikram was very much caring of his grandfather, isn't it? How he celebrated his grandfather's birthday, how with the help of his parents he decorated the drawing room, then he invited the guest, preparation of food, all the arrangements how he done with the help of his parents. For whom he had done all these things? For his grandfather. For his grandfather. So how caring, so how caring he was for his grandfather, isn't it? Yes. Then what happened? His grandfather was very much surprised to see all these arrangements, isn't it? Within a short time, when his grandfather gone for evening walk, at that time he done all these arrangements. He decorated the drawing room and he invited the guest and preparation of food. All these things he and his parents had done in a very short time. So by seeing all these things, his grandfather was very surprised. And what his grandfather said to Vikram? Grandfather said Vikram that next morning he will took him to a new place. Which place was that? Where his grandfather has took him? Where? To an old age home. To an old age home. So what is old age home? What does it mean? Old age home means it is a place where old people live together. That is known as old age home. So they both went there. And what happened when they went there? What happened? Yes, what happened? After seeing so many old people there, Vikram felt very happy, and like that only to that people, while seeing Vikram, they also felt very happy. Vikram, after meeting them, what decision has taken Vikram? Vikram has taken decision that every week he will go there with his friends, and every week they used to visit that old age home with his friends. Okay, and his friends also enjoyed very much going there. His friends also helped all these old people by in different activities. Like some friends, they used to help them in giving medicines, or taking them out for walk, or giving them breakfast, or giving them lunch. So in different activities, his friends helped this old age people. Okay, so Vikram also helped them. Along with Vikram, his friends also helped this old age people in different activities. Why these people are there? This old age people are living in old age home due to some reasons they are living. Okay, due to some reasons they are living there. While living there, they get more care, better medical facilities. All these things they are provided there. Okay, their regular routine will be very good. They will be like at time they will take breakfast, medicines, lunch, dinner, everything. Daily routine will be, they will be go for a morning walk, or they will be do exercise, or they will be going for evening walk. So everything will be in routine. So for that they used to stay there. Okay, they get better facilities. Nurses are there, or even not nurses are not there. Some people are there for helping all these things. Okay, all the activities. Some people are there, some nurses are there. So everyone, they used to take care of each other. Okay, so old age home means it is a place where old people live together. So after visiting, when Vikram visited this place, he felt very much happy, and seeing the people, so the people living in old age home, they also felt very happy by seeing Vikram, and he decided to visit this place every week with his friends, and his friends also enjoyed there a lot. They also helped in all the activities of all these old people. Okay, in different activities, not only in one activity but in different activities, as already we discussed, in giving medicines, taking out them for walk, or giving breakfast, or keeping their dress in a proper way. All these activities, different activities, they used to help them. Okay, so now take out from, let us study more detail about this, what all activities Vikram and his friends done there. So let us study more about this. So for that, take out your social studies book and open it and take out page number 31. Okay, first of all, take out your social studies book. All of you have taken out, open it and take out page number 31. Page number 31, this page. Okay. Up till here we have read the lesson, isn't it? Now we are going to read this rest of the lesson. Okay. Now, so see this picture, how Vikram and Dadaji is in the drawing room. How Vikram has decorated the drawing room. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to keep your finger on your book and you have to read along with me. Okay. So ready? Okay. Vikram was ready and waiting for Dadaji next morning. Dadaji took him to an old age home. So he was ready, he was very excited that where Dadaji will took me. So at which place we are going, so he was very much excited to know that place. So in the morning he get up and he was ready to go that place. So Dadaji and Vikram went to which place? They went to old age home. Vikram was surprised to see so many old people living there. They all were happy to see Vikram. He talked to all of them and even read the newspaper to one of them. So while seeing Vikram and the old age people, they also felt very happy. And what does Vikram do for them? Vikram has read the newspaper for one of them. For old people, what he does, he read the newspaper for them. So he decided to visit them every week with his friends. After seeing all these things, what decision he has taken? He has decided to visit this place every week. Okay, to visit this place every week with whom? With his friends. With whom? With his friends. Okay, now take out your pencil and underline this word. Visit. V-I-S-I-T. Visit. Okay. Take out your pencil and underline this word. Visit. V-I-S-I-T. Visit. Visit. Visit means to go to see a person or a place. Okay, visit means to go to see a person or a place, that is known as visit. Okay, so note it down. Okay, visit means to go to see a person or place, that is known as visit. See, here one picture has given Vikram at an old age home. Where Vikram is sitting? Vikram is in old age home. Okay, so this is the picture of old age home. Vikram, and with them, who is sitting there? Vikram is reading the newspaper for them. Okay. Now, next Sunday, Vikram and his friends visited the old age home, though they had nurses to take care of them. The old people were happy to see the children, as Vikram has decided to visit every week to this old age home with his friends. So, in the next Sunday, with his friends, he went there, and seeing all the seeing Vikram and his friends, what happened? The people, they felt very happy. Okay, there are nurses also in old age home. There are nurses also to help to take care of them, but then also their friends also help them. Now let us see how. Sangeeta talked to an old lady and told her about her school. So, she helped her take her medicine. See, Sangeeta talked to an old lady. She was talking to an old lady, and what she talked? She talked about her school. And for what she helped her? To old lady to give the medicine, to give the medicine, she helped that old lady. Then Rahul read out a newspaper to another old lady. What Rahul had done? Rahul read the newspaper to another old lady. Then Aman wrote a letter that an old man dictated for his son. What Aman has done? Aman has written a letter. What? Aman has written a letter that old man was dictating for his. That letter was for that old man's son. So the old man was dictating and Aman was writing. Okay. Now, underline this word also, dictated. D-I-C-T-A-T-E-D, dictated. Okay. So, underline that word. Dictate. Dictate means to say words to someone, to write down. Okay, dictate means to say words to someone to write down. That is known as dictate. Okay, so note it down. Okay, you have written, noted down. Okay, so what was Sangeeta? Which type of help Sangeeta has done? Sangeeta has given the medicine, and Rahul had read the newspaper, and Aman has written the letter for an old man for his son. Okay, the old man was dictating the letter, and Aman has wrote that letter for his son. Okay, so all these types of help they had done for that people. Okay, now turn your page. Now take out page number 32. Page number 32. Page number 32. See, here picture is given how Aman is writing a letter. This old man is dictating and Aman is writing the letter. Okay. Now, next, when they were coming back, they met Mithali on the road. She was helping a girl cross the road. The girl had a cane with her, which she used while walking. Mithali told her friends that the girl could not see. While returning from old age home, while they were returning to their home, what they found? They found that Mithali is also their friend. So Mithali, what is Mithali doing? Mithali is helping one girl who is blind to cross the road. What is Mithali doing? Mithali is helping this girl to cross the road. Why she is helping to cross the road? Because the girl can't see. She was blind. That's why Mithali was helping that girl. Okay. Now, we are going to do this question. Okay. Do and learn. Dash people may have difficulty in reading or writing as their hands and eyes become weak with age. To whom? To blind people? No, here it is given age. According to their age, eyes are also becoming weak. So to whom? Which people? To old people, isn't it? That's why Aman is writing the letter. The old man is dictating and Aman is writing, because this person has become old, weak. That's why Aman is writing the letter. So here what answer will be we have to write? We have to write old people. The old people may have difficulty in reading or writing as their hands and eyes become weak with age. When we are becoming age, our age is going up, what happens? Our body parts become weak. Okay. So, what answer we have to write? We have to write the old people. Okay. So here we will write the answer is the old. Okay, the old people may have difficulty in reading or writing as their hands and eyes become weak with age. So write the answer. So up till this much all of you have understood. So where Vikram has gone with his friends? Vikram has gone with his friends to an old age home. There Vikram and his friends helped the old people in different activities like reading newspaper, writing the letter, giving the medicine or taking them for walk. Isn't it? So different types of different activities they helped this old age people. Okay. So Up to this much all of you have understood? Understood? Okay. Thank you and have a